It's John McLauchlan. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to address one of the questions that I would probably ask when somebody releases something for free, i.e. a free course. Now, if you're a subscriber on my YouTube channel, or if you've seen any of my social media channels, you know that I've released a brand new affiliate marketing masterclass course, which is completely free and available to download and access as you want. Now, the question really a lot of people ask is, okay, it's free, which means you're obviously selling something, okay? And I remember when I was doing some of my early education about economics, and my economics teacher said, you know, free is a commercial or a mathematical impossibility. You know what? He was right. So here's the thing, this is why I'm going to address this, because most of the time with the online business world, if you're an affiliate marketer, an online marketer, whatever, I'm sure you've attended probably your fair share of webinars. And the thing is with webinars is what they do is they sell the information that you don't get. All right. And I know that sounds a bit, some people might not agree with that. Okay. Well, they go, well, I do a webinar and I provide good information. If they want to buy at the end, it's up to them. Okay. But that's what they're doing. And the conditioning, the preconditioning that we've all been exposed to and what we're used to is if something is free, it either means it's rubbish or it either means there is something to buy at some stage. Okay, now here's what my take is on that. I produced an affiliate marketing masterclass course. I didn't call it a masterclass because I'm a marketer, because I like to overhype things. I called it a masterclass because it's a masterclass, okay? And you get access to downloads, to resources, to the modules, to everything. There's no limitations on what you can get on that. And my thinking behind this was, if I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing, why sell the course? Why not just prove to people that I make money through affiliate marketing rather than selling courses? And that was my take from that. Right from the very first video, that's what I say in module 1, okay? My angle is I want people to learn from it, knowing that you can make money online through affiliate marketing. Now, of course, I'm a marketer, okay? I do recommend certain products and services that I use on a day-to-day basis, that I use in my affiliate marketing program or in my affiliate marketing business. That's just intelligent business, okay? But what I want to address here is that if you want to go on and get my affiliate marketing course for free, it's free, okay? You can get everything, and whatever you're promoting online as a marketer, the principles that you will learn in this course will help, and you will be able to sell anything from affiliate marketing to network marketing to selling dog food on eBay. Random, I know, but it's true. Okay, so you can do that, okay? And that's really just what I wanted to address in this video. And everything that you get in there, there's I will do two things. If you want the information, I'll either give you direct access to the course, which is available on my YouTube channel, and it's on one of the playlists. If you want to go to my YouTube channel, John McLauchlan TV, okay, go on there, go on the first page, you'll see the whole playlist on there. You can get access for free, or you can go and download the workbook. Okay, and the workbook essentially just gives you all the resources. I've got loads of downloads, loads of templates. They're all available to access in my Google Drive. In the back of the office, so you can get access to everything, okay? And if you want to come on board with me with some of the things that I recommend, some of the usual sorts of things like funnel builders, like vidIQ, like all the usual sort of things that people promote online, you can do that, and that's what it's all about. So I just wanted to address that because, you know, I know for so long we've been said, okay, go here, it's free, okay. And one of the videos that I address on my channel at some point, I don't know when I did it, but it was like, okay, you start an affiliate marketing course, or you start a training course, or you start something. And to get the extras that you need to make it work, you need to upgrade to get pro, and then you need elite, and then you need platinum. And so that all goes on. So the whole structure is basically engineered to favor the person that developed the product, not you as an affiliate marketer. Okay. And for me, it's high time that the ordinary people on the ground building the businesses get the benefit, or the lion's share of the benefit, rather than the big companies or the product developer. Okay. And that's really another thing that I say in the course, and if you're going to leverage affiliate marketing business models, make sure the business model works for you. Okay. Make sure you look at the numbers and you understand the numbers before you dive in on the back of everybody else's hype. Okay. This is happening now. Jump in straight away, get in, you're going to miss out. We're going to get on the ground level. Just forget all that, because let me tell you, there is no successful businessman or business owner gets on the back of a deal because they think they're missing out. Okay, it's a marketing tactic. Okay, and I think the more people come to realize that, the more people will be in a position to make money online rather than have empty dreams and hopes and wishes online, because unfortunately that's what most people do. And as I said in one of my videos last week, 90% of people, they don't make it happen online. Okay, you might think, I had a conversation earlier today about a certain program. Have I missed a boat? This program launched many years ago. Have I missed a boat? They go, no, you haven't missed a boat. You never will, because the majority of people who start affiliate marketing they come, they have a look, they enjoy the community, they kick the tires, and then they go. Okay, it's a real shame, because sometimes they don't have access to the resources, or they don't really understand sometimes the work it takes to put in to get a return. Okay, or sometimes the skills that you need to learn to get a return. And the thing is, with the majority of people, one of the biggest hurdles I see is going from being an employee, having an employee mindset. Nothing wrong with being an employee. I've been an employee for a long time. Okay, but having an employee mindset compared to that of an entrepreneur. Okay, an employee wants to do something and get paid in return for it. Okay, and I'm not here to patronize anybody. Okay, everyone knows that developing a business takes time and there's no guaranteed returns. But with an employee mindset, you're going to work for a week and you're going to want, where's my pay? I've worked for a week and not had a return. Okay, whereas the entrepreneur will just work and improve their skills along the way without looking for a return. The difference is that you look to refine your skills and constantly, sharpen your axe, as somebody once said, constantly sharpen the axe. And, in time, the results come. All right. And I did say that in a video, but that's the whole ethos of my course. Okay. Get the information, make the information available to people, and promote things as we go. Okay. And of course, everyone does that. But that's what I'm going to say about my course, is that it's completely, utterly free. And whether you buy anything off there or not, I don't care. Okay. Because I make my money by affiliate marketing. Okay. By doing the daily grind, as it were. All right. But I think now there's so many more people who need help. There's so many more people in a position where they're looking at the way life is going, the way the financial situation is going for most people. If you're in a traditional job, it can be worrying. Okay, if you're just trying to make the ends meet by the way that gas and electric's going up and all the rest of it, we've got to do something to mitigate that. Okay, and that's what I'm doing with this course. Giving the course for free is just in some way helping to address that, because you can take all the information from this course and you can build. Well, I won't tell you the numbers, but when you get onto the course, I tell you exactly what the business model is moving forward. Okay, and I know most people would like to achieve the kind of levels that I talk about, but it's all there. It's all there. It's all available, and all you need to do. Well, let me rephrase that. It's not all you need to do. You need to jump in. If you're going to build an online business, you need to jump in. You need to go all in, okay? And you need to have the faith to keep going. And this is sometimes that challenge that sometimes happens. I haven't got any results. I haven't got any sales. I'm putting all this time in. Okay, is what I'm doing really worth it? I've got so many doubts. I've got so many expectations when I first started, but now I'm not really sure. Okay, because that process is a process, pretty much the mindset that majority of people go through. 90% of people go through that, okay? And yes, you get the people who come in and they just do one or two things, but they actually put action in and they get sales. And that, let me tell you, it completely flips the mindset. So wouldn't it be nice to, this is happening, okay? And they get sales, they understand the process, and they almost, draw a full circle. Okay, beginner, let's have a go. Let's put something into action. Let's get the sales funnels done. Let's hit the go trigger. We've got a sale. Fantastic. Let's repeat that process. But unfortunately, most people don't get to that stage. They're in planning stage, or they're looking at courses. They're going through the training. They're buying more training. They're signing up for additional affiliate programs, going through more training, and they never actually hit the go button. And it's so important to do that. And even now, I've been doing this online marketing thing for a while now, and there are still processes that are not new to me, but certain platforms develop, certain platforms change, and you have to keep up with the times. And sometimes, you'll upload a video and it'll be completely the wrong aspect, because you've assumed that that particular platform is a certain aspect ratio, and you go, okay, I've learned from that, let's delete that, let's put it up and move forward. So we're always making mistakes. Every one of us is making mistakes. We've just got to learn from it and move forward. But the only way that you make mistakes is by taking action. If you don't take action, you're not going to make mistakes, but you're not going to get any results either. So you got to think about that, okay? So if you're brand new in this, if you're brand new as an online marketer and you're thinking, I don't really know what to do, okay, doesn't really matter. Just do it anyway, okay? If you're going to upload a video to TikTok or something, I'm not quite sure what it's going to do. Hit the go button, okay? See what happens, because you'll learn a whole load of, you'll learn the whole process when you make mistakes, and then you can refine the process and make it better, okay? And this whole online business thing, it's all about developing your knowledge, developing your skills, and being able to apply those knowledge and skills into whatever you do. And if you can focus on that and focus on serving your audience the best way possible, and how can you connect with your audience and how can you give your audience what they want, that is what business is all about. Forget about results, because the results come as a result of what you do with and for your audience. And if you can serve them the best way possible, if you can just lead with that intention, okay, the intention is I want to serve my customers in the best way possible. How do I do that? I don't really quite know at the minute, but let's try this. Okay, so you try this. Okay, that kind of worked, and it's kind of resonated with certain people. But if you lead with that thought, then people will know what your intentions are. Okay, if you lead with, I'm just trying to make as much money out of people as possible, then your online business will be very short-lived. Okay, but just lead with that. Okay, and you'll never have problems. You'll never have issues. It's when you've got an ulterior motive behind what you really want to say. Okay, yes, I'm really going to help you, but actually, you know what, when you get to this stage, I'm going to take all your money off you, because that's what, don't do that. Okay, just be open and transparent with people and genuine and honest, and people will like you for it. Okay, and let me finish on this. One of the biggest problems with this industry is too many people over the years have said it's easy. They've said it's straightforward. They've said you can work for 10 minutes a day. And in some cases, yes, you can, but the learning process doesn't work like that. Okay? The learning process takes repetition, and it takes making mistakes to get to the place where you can build in efficiencies, where you can build in automated processes. Because, automated processes, yeah, okay, you can sometimes buy some off the shelf, but really, as an online business owner, you need to understand the process for yourself before you can implement it, before you got the confidence to rely on an automated process. So it takes a long time, okay? Or it can take a long time, okay? If you dive in, one of the things that my ideal situation for people getting on board with something that I do is dive in on a Friday, have everything worked out by Sunday. Live, done, up and running, have some semblance of what's going on because you've done it yourself, because you've got the training available. Okay, and that's, again, this is what I say in my course. Go and do it, make it available, and you can implement your own business in a weekend. Okay, and of course there are lots of other things that you can learn and add to. Okay, but essentially that's what I want for people. Okay, you don't want to be starting a business and then, okay, 6 months later we're kind of there, we're just about there. Okay, you don't want to be doing that. That's offline stuff. You know, the beauty of having an online business is that you can be streamlined, you can be profiled, and you can set it up fairly quick in comparison to, you know, an offline business. But the learning process is still the same. Okay, depending on your own ability. We're all human. Okay, and it takes a while for that to simmer and for that to sink in and for it to happen. And literally, you know, in some of the things that I've been doing, if you take you know, the likes of trading, for example, one thing I saw in a pattern was that the people that had been doing it competently had taken 4 years to develop their skill, to become competent and to become familiar with everything. Okay, so it might take you 4 years, you know, with an online business, but it's not going to take you 10 minutes either. So if you can get away from the quick shortcut, the easy shortcuts, this is easy, simple, straightforward. I've only got to press a button on ChatGPT and there we go, there's my business. It's not going to happen because there are lots of other nuances and things that you need to learn. Okay. So anyway, going back to why my course was free. I do like these ramblings. I do enjoy them. But yeah, as I said, we've been conditioned as human beings, as marketers over the years to know that free isn't really free. And if something is too good to be true, it probably is. Okay, and what I'm saying to you is that if you've got the opportunity to get my course, if you've got a link there, if you've got I did something on Facebook the other day, just drop me a DM and I'll send you the link. Do it, because you're going to get access to it. And I'm getting feedback from people already who were saying, this is great. I would have paid $500 for this easily. Okay, so you've got that opportunity to do that. So just thought I'd explain that as to why I'm making it for free. And, you know, my intention is to try and help as many people as possible. It's always been my intention. But, you know, as you learn better ways to do it. And yeah, this course did take me some time to do. It's a whole different story altogether, and I won't share that right now. But it is, if you look at my story on NLP and some of the self-destructive stuff that I used to get up to, you'll know. Okay, and I know a lot of people still struggle with self-destructive mechanisms, not in a bad way. I'm not talking, you know, go out and, you know, self-harm or anything like that. I'm talking about just getting businesses to a point where they become profitable and then suddenly you do something else. So you actually self-sabotage that business. And it was a real problem for me. And the course that I'm talking about, it was on my hard drive 15 months. It's almost finished. It's almost finished. Yeah, I'll get it done. Okay, 15 months of that. And then 8 weeks after a bit of NLP, it's finished. It's finished. And now I'm talking to you guys, okay? Get it? Okay. Anyway, right, I'll leave you with that. And I've been talking about 20 minutes. My camera's flashing at me. So have a look at that. There'll be a link somewhere around this video if you want to get access to that course. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give us a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.